How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 67 Mercury Cyclone Caliente. Gorgeous tuxedo black. This is a show quality car, guys. Very nice. Come out of a personal collection. It's got a 460 in it. C6 trans. See the original grille and all the headlight trim is all the original. Very nice condition. This car for black is so slick and flat down the sides. It's got the dog dish hubcaps on it. Just a cool car. Got lightweight bumpers. Car's just flat, straight as an arrow down the sides. I tell you, some slick black paint here. This is a 460, been all built. It's got a Edelbrock aluminum heads, intake package, got voodoo cam. It's got ceramic coated headers. It's got your aluminum radiator. It's an original Cyclone hood. It's got disc brakes up front. It's got a C6 trans, Ford 9-inch rear with a 350 gear in it, posi. So you can just see how clean and nice this car is. This is all original panel car. All the trim on the dash is just in excellent shape. Very nicely done. Headliner's real nice and tight. And I tell you, the red interior in this car with the black, just, dude, this is just a bitchin' car. Got a bunch of the paperwork and receipts on the restoration in the build. Your spare tire, they've mounted the battery in the trunk. There really ain't much room under the hood. That big 460 in there. All the glass in this car is excellent. Got your front and rear seat belts. It's got AM FM cassette stereo in it. Trio gauges there. It's got your B&M Performance shifter. I tell you, it's just a super nice car. Tell you, you don't find many Fords, especially this nice. Mercury's, Fords. Thing fires right up. Got the electric cutouts, all remote controlled. Backup lights and everything do work. Tell you, super, super cool car. Tell you, the car's a riot to drive. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan.